All right, let's talk about the NCVI electric double breast pump. Okay, so inside the box, you're going to find everything that you need. Okay, you're going to find bottle tops, a bottle, which is also used to pump your milk. You are going to find a little stand to put the milk bottle in, so that way you can set it on something and it's not going to fall over. And then you've got one pump and the other pump. I've already set this one up, so let me show you how this works. So first you put the little duck bill on the inside. You make sure that the diaphragm gets put in here, and then you screw the top on, and you want to make sure that this is pointing towards the back because otherwise it's going to get in the way. You plug in your tube. Your tube also gets plugged into your little electric device here, and I'll show you what all this does. And then we're going to take the bottle. You're going to screw the bottle on to the bottom. And then you do need to check your nipple size with this little measurement tool. That way you know which one of these guys to use, because there are different sizes. Once you find your size, you just pop this on to the front. Make sure it's in there nice and snug. And then you're ready to go. You can either hold this on your breast or you can put it into a nursing bra and then get started pumping. So we've got multiple different modes on here. And in the instruction manual, it shows you how to set everything up, so it's super easy. But we've got 4 different modes, and they actually tell you what those modes are for. So you've got a multitronic mode to get more, a massage mode to stimulate your milk, the express mode to kind of empty you completely out, and then a simulate mode that simulates like natural sucking. There's also a little like rule of thumb here of like what you're needing to do. So that way you're not confused about like, okay, I don't know which mode to use. I don't really know where I need to be at. This is really helpful. So to turn this on, you press and hold this little button. It's not actually like a button. You don't press in, you just press and hold your finger on it for a couple of seconds. So when it does turn on, it will start pumping immediately. You can change your mode with this little M here on the side. You can increase it or decrease it. And then you can choose if you're going to be double-sided or just one side pumping. And then to turn it off, you just press and hold it, and it turns off. Everything is super easy to use. It does come with a cord, and you will plug that into the side of here to charge it. So I feel like because of this side, it's super portable, and because you don't have to be attached to the wall, it's super easy to travel with, especially if you have your correct flange size. Then you don't have to like bring the entire box. However, the entire box is actually really convenient. It's really not that big. So it'd be really easy to bring with you if you wanted to. The other nice thing is that they do give you milk bags, which is really nice. And then the bottle tops do come with a protective cover over the top of them. So if you're exclusively pumping, you can just pump and put the bottle top right on, and you are just good to go. And if you are storing it, then you've got milk storage bags. So this is definitely one of my favorite pumps, and I hope you guys like it.